Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm just about to start my analysis, my weekly analysis. I call it my Sunday weekly analysis. Today is the 15th of June, 2020. So I just want to do this quite quickly. I don't want to take too much time. It's like 1:18, um, it's 1:18 a.m. Sunday night, actually Monday morning. So I need to go to bed in a few, but I want to just do my weekly analysis. Um, what I want to do, I just want to start looking at the Forex Factory. Obviously, the market has just opened up, so I'm sure it's a Monday morning, so there's not much, as you can see in the news, which is fine. I'll probably check out this news in the morning. I'll probably read this is Forex Factory as well as its daily FX. These are probably three sites that I'm going to be looking at in the morning. I usually don't trade on I don't trade on Mondays. I trade 3 times a week. That's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So Mondays and Fridays I don't trade. It's just a personal preference. Okay, what am I looking for? Daily FX and FX Street. So those are the two sites I kind of check out, as well as Forex Factory. So news, I'll do that tomorrow morning during the London session. Though I won't be trading tomorrow, so chances are also likely that I won't look at the markets tomorrow. But I just want to do my weekly analysis and see how the week will look like. So where's my trading view? Okay, I have quite a number of pages open. Ignore that. My throat is kind of dry. Okay, so first things first. Okay, I'll put this here. Okay, so first things first, we're looking at Euro GBP. So what I usually do, guys, I just go through the different pairs. So we have Euro GBP. I don't even know why I'm looking at Euro GBP. Let me look at US 30. Those are the ones I like, straight indices. So I'm checking out Euro GBP because I gave out a call last week on Thursday for Euro GBP, and it kind of impulsed and changed direction about 200 pips. So I'm just checking it out to see how it's going to be going. There's German 30. So let's first start with, so we're on Euro GBP right now. As far as I'm concerned, right now, this is technical because I'm not looking at news yet because news is dead. So let me see. Quick analysis, guys, quick analysis. So I'm looking at a 100 pip move, and we can check this out later in the week. 100 pip move on a buy for Euro GBP. Okay, so quick analysis. I'm not necessarily going through my trading strategy. I'm just looking at the chart very quickly. US 30, which is an index I love to trade, and US 30 is just working out as I am predicting, and I'm looking at possibly, I mean, the markets just look like they're on a bearish reversal. Yeah. So technically, I'm looking at this week possibly a 600 pip move in the market, or more, actually more, like probably 2000 pips, 2000, 2200 pips. Possibly not necessarily this coming week, but let's say 600 pips in the next 2 days or so. That's on US 30 on a sell. I feel like the market is going down. Fundamentally, we can always argue, this coronavirus, COVID has had a huge impact on the US economy. Let's look at the German 30. Wait, What does US rate again? Thing. Okay. Same thing with German 30. Feel like about 232 pips, maybe 500 pips, maybe less. If I look at just as you can see, guys, this is just basically a previous chart that I've already analyzed. So I normally don't change my. It's about let's say 400 pips. Yeah, on a sell. And guys, these are not trades you are gonna take right now. We're just doing an overview, a quick overview. So other pairs I like to trade are AUD, JPY. We can talk about Y later on, a different session. But I just like the way it moves. And yeah, it did what I expected it to do. So probably 100 pips move on AUD, JPY, or possibly more. Like for the week, probably 200 pips. Actually, not the week, like maybe the next 2 days. But we'll see. So let's say 100 pips the next 1 day or so, 2 days. But let's look at AUD. I'm biased for a bearish trend as well on AUD. Obviously about maybe 150 pips, maybe 200 pips USD, but let's say 150 pips. Okay, hold on. 5, 6. Okay, another currency I like to look at is USD, JPY. Interesting move. USD, JPY. Possibly move up, possibly on uptrends, maybe 150 pips. GBP, JPY. I'm biased for a downtrend right now. It's about 200 pips. What I'm doing, guys, is I'm just writing them down because I just like to see as a sell, rather a sell for 200 pips on GJ. I just like to see GBP USD is another good one that I love to trade, but I'm not seeing anything in the markets with other pairs. So I'm still in a downtrend for this 150 pips on GU sell. This is basically technical analysis. I'm not doing a fundamental analysis today. I usually will probably do that, talk about what I think is happening fundamentally, probably on a Monday or Tuesday. So that's GBP. GBP AUD. Let's first see. Could go either way. Could go either way. Possibly pull back about maybe 180 pips or so, maybe 150 pips before continuing on an uptrend. So it could go either way, okay? But I think I'll have a better um, glance in the morning. But like I said, I don't trade on Mondays and Fridays. I just trade on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. My voice is disappearing, I think, because of the cold. It's really cold in Nairobi right now, like really cold. I have my hot water bottle. That's GBP CHF. Okay. Euro NZD. Another pair I like to look at. That's some really good news. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Hmm. Let's see. Euro USD. I just like to look at pairs at the same time. No comment for now. Let's see. We'll see a trip. All doing the same thing. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm just going to kind of clear the screen because I just need to have a better glance of what's really happening. Just want to have a better view of what's really happening. A lot of impulses in the market in the last couple of days. Like I'm just marking up my chart for Euro USD. I just wanted to have a clearer look because the other chart was just looking a bit messy and crowded. Beautiful evening, or is it morning? Monday morning. I'm trying to track price. That's what I'm trying to do. Trying to track price. Trying to track price. Okay. Okay. When I'm unsure about what I'm looking at, I'll usually just go on the 30-minute chart. Like if I don't see what I want to see or what I'm hoping to see, or if I'm thinking too much about something, on the day chart, I'll just go on the 30 minutes. But when I'm having a good time in the market, I just look at the day chart. It's enough to tell me what to do, what to expect. Like now, just trying to see the highs and lows here. Get a clear picture of what's happening. Okay. Okay, so this is a possible buy on Euro CHF, a potential buy. I call them potential trades. So it's very possible that this will probably go up and come back down. There's a bit of consolidation. Although it looks like it's on a downtrend. Okay, so this is not a ready trade for me in this sense right now. Let me look at something. Like I said, they're all looking the same. So it's very possible Euro USD is on a sell for about possibly even 150 pips. Yeah. Possibly. Euro AD. Like as you can tell, guys, I'm just looking at different pairs, right? Euro AD. Oh, might just have a continuation because it's on the support, it's on the floor. How much farther could it go? I'm looking at a 200 pip buy move. Again, guys, this nothing is set in stone. So no, nothing is set in stone. AD and ZD. I'm just randomly looking at pairs, guys. There's at this point in time, nothing much is happening in the market, so there's no real trade call, confident trade call idea that I can see. The kind of gaps in the market. Liquidity. Probably fill up that gap. NZD, JPY, just a glance. Probably a short buy before it continues on a downtrend. So probably 80 pips. 80 pips before it goes down on a sell. Don't quote me though. I'm not here to give financial advice. I just give trade ideas based on what I can see in the markets. My charts are busy. I haven't like changed up. I haven't like cleared them in like months. So all those lines are just past analysis that hasn't been cleared. I feel like GBP and ZD is going to break to the downside. Okay, whenever it finishes its pullback, I feel like it's gonna go about potentially 200 to 350 pips. That's GBP and ZD. Same thing. Actually, yeah, same thing. Pull back and continue on a downtrend. That's my take. Pull back up, then continue on a downtrend. So that's possibly where you see this arrow. I did it last week. I still am biased for about 300 pip move, 250 to 300 pip move, right? So those are 15 pairs, guys. Let me just look at the SP. Yeah, it's kind of telling me what I'm thinking. Yep, gives me an indication that the indices are probably on a downtrend. Let's look at NAS. I haven't looked at it in a while. I'm not sure. 50-50. And I'll probably wake up tomorrow during the London session, have a look. What haven't I looked at? Let's look at CAD JPY. CAD JPY. I feel it's still on a downtrend. It may pull back up, but it's still on a downtrend. So probably 100 pips. CAD JPY. So 100 pips. Okay, let's look at exotic pairs. UNXN. How long have I taken? Oh God. Same thing. These is probably on a buy or like the long term, like it moves really differently from normal currencies. So about 1,000 pips. Yeah, about 1,000 pips on USDs are on a buy. So 500 to 1,000 pips. I think that's it, guys. I'm not seeing much in the market right now. It's a Sunday night. Yeah, so US 30 sell, German 30 sell, SDGPY buy, USD CAD buy, same drill on USD CAD. So that let's see what 105 pips on USD CAD buy. So with the indices, anything can happen because they're usually pretty fundamentally based. So gold, one last one. I haven't looked at May. Almost forgot about gold. Gold is looking interesting. Gold is looking interesting. Gold is looking interesting. It was ranged for quite a while. Might go into a short buy of maybe 30 pips and then drop and keep on ranging for a bit. But gold may just jump up because that was my earlier land analysis last week. Although it got a pullback on Friday. about 300 pips or more, 400 pips thereabouts, before it pulls back down. So guys, I don't want to take too much time because you'll know about how the market is looking tomorrow. Now I think we're good. So that's my weekly analysis. I hope it's helpful. Leave a comment at the below, like, subscribe. Yeah, and let's do this on a weekly basis. Thanks, guys. Bye.